To transfer money from Western Union to Zelle, start by understanding the basics of both services. Western Union is a global money transfer company that allows you to send and receive money across the world, while Zelle is a peer-to-peer payment service that enables fast and easy money transfers between U.S. bank accounts. First, you need to have a Western Union account and a Zelle account. If you don't have a Zelle account, you can sign up through the Zelle website or through your bank's mobile app. Next, go to the Western Union website or mobile app and log into your account. Select the Send Money option and choose the recipient's country and the amount you want to send. Then, choose the payment method, which in this case is not directly to Zelle, but rather to the recipient's U.S. bank account that is linked to Zelle. You will need the recipient's name, U.S. bank account number, and routing number. Once you have entered the recipient's information, review the transfer details and pay for the transfer using your preferred payment method. Western Union will then send the money to the recipient's U.S. bank account. The recipient can then receive the money in their bank account and use Zelle to transfer it to another account or use it for other transactions. Note that Western Union and Zelle may charge transfer fees, so be sure to check the fees before initiating the transfer. In summary, transferring money from Western Union to Zelle involves sending the money from Western Union to the recipient's U.S. bank account, which is then linked to Zelle. By following these steps and understanding the basics of both services, you can easily transfer money from Western Union to Zelle.